What is land flipping? I know you might have been asking, what is land flipping? You want to know the meaning of land flipping? What land flipping actually mean when it comes to real estate? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what is the meaning of land flipping and how you can make money through land flipping, and what are the basic things you should look out for before you start land flipping in Nigeria. So if you watch this video to the end, you are going to gain value. First of all, what is land flipping? Land flipping is when you buy a piece of land or a parcel of land. You hold the land, and within a short period of time you sell the land to gain profit. Now, land flipping is different from land banking. Both of them deal with buying land when it's cheap and reselling it, but in the case of land flipping is short-term investment, because you are selling the property to gain return. You are selling the property within a short period of time to gain return. You are selling the property within the rate of 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, or 2 years, because you are trying to take advantage of the market. I know of a property that was selling for 4 million naira. Just within the period of 6 months to 7 months, the property is selling for 7.5 million naira. And the truth is that it's because of development. When development happens in an location, price of land in that area appreciates, the price of land in that area skyrockets, because of there is going to be demand of land in that area, and people will start looking for a way to start investing in that area. That goes to land flipping. If you want to land flip, what you should be looking at for is area that is experiencing development. Unlike land banking, where you are going to buy property in a place that has not started experiencing development yet, but in the nearest future is going to experience development. But in the case of land flipping, you are buying in a location that has already started experiencing development, or a place that development just starts, because you are buying that property to resell the property to gain profit. Your purpose in that land, you're not buying the land either to build, but you are buying the land to resell and gain profit just in a short period of time. Let me use Nike for example. Now, Nike is an emerging location due to the development going on in Nike currently, because of the revamping of the Nike Lake Resort. Now, people are moving to that location, and the price of land in that location is appreciating. Now, for people that like to do land flipping, this is an opportunity for them to take possession of the market, because land in that particular area is cheap now, but in a space of 6 months, 1 year to 2 years, the price of land in that area is going to skyrocket, because that is the next location where development is happening now in Enugu State. People are moving to that location currently. In a layman language, in a layman understanding, land flipping is all about buying the land within a short period of time and reselling the land to gain profit. Before you land flip, there are basic things you should check out for. First, you should check out the location where you are investing in, because you are investing in a location that has started experiencing development, or development will start happening in that area within a period of time, because you are buying that property to resell within a short period of time. And also, you should be checking out for the documentation of the place where you want to invest in, so that you will avoid getting scammed, because sometimes people fall victim of buying property that look good to be truth in terms of land flipping. And most of the challenges people that do land flipping experience is that land flipping property are not that cheap. They are relatively cheap. You can get a property from land flipping starting from the range of 7 million, 10 million, up to 15 million naira, depending on the location where you are trying to invest in. And also, to get property to land flip are not easy than getting property for land banking, because some people that buy the property will have future purpose of the land. Some are waiting for the area to develop, then they will build on that area, while some people want to buy land in that area. Once the area experiences development, they build on that land where them and their family can start living in. Land flipping is a good investment if you get the right property, the right location, and you invest in the right time. If you are looking for property where you can land flip in Enugu, all you have to do is to call the number you see on your screen, and I'm going to help you out. I am Freddy Chinonso, your real estate friend based in the city of Enugu, your Enugu real estate expert. I help you make safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu.